Since we're at it, why not do the first floor office area finished floor? Okay. So for this one, you want to also consider how floor finishes end. Normally, they don't end right here. They would maybe go out, right? And maybe even have a landing here, right? Or maybe a threshold. So yeah, make sure you double check or check, how do we enter a building? What finishing material do we see, and where do they start and stop? So those are things that you want to be cognizant about. Same is true here. Once we place the door, will the tile go uh, through the door or overlap? Right. So things that you can consider, and if it does, then you can always edit the boundary. Okay. So save the project when prompted. We want to create a wall, a floor. Sorry. This time we're going to use maybe a marble, right? Maybe the same 16 mm so that they will be flat. Or you normally would use a threshold, right, mechanism. But in an office, you normally want them to be flat. It's less dangerous. So we'll use a 16 mm tile, but this time, let's say it's going to be marble. Okay, so marble tile. Remove the number 2. It's also going to be 16 mm, so that's fine. And we're just simply going to change the material from ceramic to marble. So we don't have marble here. And if we look at the library, we do have some type of a marble here. So AEC material, stone, under stone. So to bring this up, we simply need to click on this button, up arrow, right? Add materials to document or to the project. So now we have that. Okay, and let's see. We'll use that, select, and click OK. Click OK, and click OK. So for our ground floor, so we don't see this concrete hatch, right? We're going to say again, oops, what happened? I think I changed this to marble. Okay, not good. We're going to bring that back, change that back to F1, nope, tile floor. Okay, deselect and start the floor command. Change this to our marble tile. Pick. Sorry. And trim. Okay. And then go around and see if you need to change the location of the floor, like for this one here. Let's choose the align tool. Okay, so it just goes under the gypsum. So using the align tool is another way of editing the location of the line. So here we just want it to go under the gypsum. So align that. AL is the shortcut for the align tool. This one looks good. This one as well. So I think we're good. Oops, not this one. So align it to, okay. And this one as well, align it to, okay. And this one as well. So looks like pick walls is not the best of the tools. It's up to you how you'd like to work using Revit, right? Oops, this one. Okay. Yeah, I think we started here, so we're good. And now we know that this should be 16 mm above the ground floor concrete. Okay, and okay, we go back to the modify tab and click finish. Don't attach. Forget about those overlaps. Okay, check the section to see. Yeah, looks like our floor is right on top of the concrete, which is perfect. Now, notice we didn't place the same material here, right? Either we're going to leave that, maybe just raise it up by another 16 mm concrete finish, right? Or yeah, once we have opened the door, then we can always add our finishing material for the exit stairway.